Welcome to the new Bay East website. Let's take a look at some of the new and improved features. The homepage has been redesigned to put timely information front and center. Here you will find the latest updates on MLS news, education classes, events, webinars, and the marketing groups. The link at the bottom of each section will take you to the events calendar, where it will be filtered to show only the category you choose. We have also simplified and reorganized our navigation bar, allowing you to find what you are looking for as quickly as possible. You will notice the Calendar tab has been renamed Events, and the Membership tab has been renamed Resources to better describe the contents inside. The Quick Links section has been removed from the homepage and replaced with a sitemap link at the footer of the website. Media Resources is also available in the footer. FAQs are now located in the Resources tab. Information about the Bay East Foundation is in the Community Information tab at the top of the homepage. When you log into the website, you will stay on the homepage instead of being redirected to the Member Portal. To access the Member Portal, simply click on the Member Portal tab on the top right of the screen. We hope you take time to explore our new website. If you have any questions, you can contact tech support at 925-730-7100.